everybody, what's up, man? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mello, and I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate all y'all for the support that's been going on recently. I'm excited to check this one out. The first one was pretty cool. I really love the cast, the jokes, all the type of stuff. Ice Cube was hilarious. A lot of y'all seem to really love my reaction as well. And then that's like, if you see my full-length reaction, which you can click the link down below in the description to my Patreon, trying to get back into that comedy bag. Also want to start getting into horror movies, and then, you know, doing like the MCU and stuff. Gonna get into Transformers as well, and Mission Impossible. We got a lot going on this year, man, and I'm so excited for it. It's always something to react to, because I definitely want to get more into TV shows as well. Like, I told myself that I was gonna be doing a lot of TV shows this summer, and I haven't even done one. I haven't recorded one. It takes so much time doing all this stuff. Like, I want to do The Last Airbender, but I kind of underestimated how long that show is. Let's go ahead and get into 22 Jump Street, y'all. Let's get it. Okay, now that I remember, I think the first movie started off where it was like this glitchy intro, and that like caught me off guard. Now this movie, they starting off with like some damn Matrix music. I'll say that's ironic. You got a film studio that's called Original Film, but they don't make original films.
Hey, you wanna be friends?
This is a load.
That boy was throwing that back. It's like they really just gave us a recap.
So we're going to actual college, not online college, listening for coded messages and lectures.
What are you talking about?
That boy was ready to go to them frat parties.
Turn down for what?
What? Oh, that shot was fire.
I teamed up with the Mexican cartel, and they're running all this shit through the port.
What are you doing?
I got a new identity that's gonna be killer.
Yo, we starting the movie off like this? Yeah, because I know about this meme, bro.
I need absolute silence while I fall in the character.
Can you give me like a head start on
I need
the
absolute silence. I need absolute silence.
Can you please
I need
just tell me?
absolute silence.
Shoot, my bad for laughing, bro. I'm sorry. Absolute silence. He killing that look. Kind of messing the walk up, bro. You walking like you already shit on yourself.
When I say that is wholeheartedly one of the most horrendous dookie stains I've ever seen in my fucking life.
Orderly, vato. We're trying to see that product. Yo, Sleepy, what's up, homie? Everyone's saying the body of Sleepy, he like the Mexican Wolverine and My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
Oh, okay. I mean, I can understand now why people think that's funny.
Talking about?
Oh, man. When you were telling the story last night, you had so much detail. Go into incredibly descriptive details of this.
You know he don't have the accent. Why are you fucking with him like that? That dude sound like Cartman right there, though.
And Swiper?
And who was that you choked out, man?
Boots?
I knew he was gonna say Boots.
Man, that wasn't Boots. This isn't a real name. You gotta tell him the real story, miss.
Why are you setting him up?
Shut up. Where'd you find this gringo, man? The f***ing Mumford & Sons concert?
What is it? Guns? Drugs?
Oh, shit!
It's sticking in my mouth!
They just sitting there watching that jump. Ew, that was gross how he scurried away.
Take him out, guys. They're cops.
We're definitely moving! Fucking birds and shit in here! Here's that bullshit!
God damn, bro. Is this Ace Ventura's truck, bro?
What was that?
See, that was our car.
I mean, that wasn't your car, bro. That was the company's car.
Stop Teen Wolf on the truck!
And get up here.
Yeah, do what he do. Just belly roll. This reminds me of that Martin Lawrence movie.
Get up here.
You see he dangling.
You're not gonna die.
How do you expect him to do that, sir? That dude is not a gold medalist.
Terminator. That's fucking dangerous. I said pull the truck over.
Yo, you could risk cutting yourself right there, bro.
Oh!
Hey, in this movie.
Is that a hickey?
This was actually an octopus-related incident. Apparently, they have many, many arms.
They have 8 tentacles.
Yes.
You already know he had to correct you.
But he gave a about the Jump Street reboot when you first came on. So now this department has invested a lot of money to make sure Jump Street keeps going. We've doubled their budget.
It's like they're in the studio exec's office, bro. What the hell? Yo, well, just in case this movie is not that good, at least they told you.
And you just gotta keep hammering ceiling.
Okay.
What if we...
Has anybody ever fisted somebody?
I mean, good thing there was an even bigger abandoned church directly across the street.
Yeah, that's convenient.
Yeah,
Probably just be right back across the street, just next door.
let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Dude, I wonder how long it take to build that condominium right there, man. I know people are really looking forward to 23 Jump Street, but I know Jonah is on to different things right now.
22 Jump Street is the 21 Jump Street. And the Korean Jesus.
Damn, bro, in the church?
That's Vietnamese Jesus. See, this is a Vietnamese church. You racist, sacrilegious, sack. Look at that. Vietnamese Jesus just dripping swag good.
Yo, Jenko.
Hey, Schmidt!
Come on, man, go back to your roots, bro. You're a f***ing nerd. You're lame. Why are you trying to act like you cool now?
They're cooking up a new drug. It's Adderall mixed with ecstasy, mixed with God knows what else.
Wipey?
No, you dumb motherfucker. Wi-Fi. That's her buying drugs on campus. And that's the dealer.
Sir, can I just say, it is so refreshing to have a case with a black victim. I mean, we care so much more because she's black.
What the fuck? Where did that come from?
If it was a white person, I wouldn't even care. One less cracker to worry about.
Why every time you speak, I'm gonna throw the up? Infiltrate the dealer, find the supply.
You all right?
Now, I know that there's not an age limit for college and stuff, but like both of them look like they're 40.
Motherfucker, you look 30.
Hot plate.
Beanbag chair.
Hilarious shirt that signals we drink alcohol. 3 shower poofs.
Some baking machine that my mom got me.
What is this, an info commercial?
I'm gonna veto that poster. It's a touch childish.
Okay, what do
Bro, you have a damn troll right there. Are you serious?
We across the hall neighbors.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're twins.
What's up?
Oh, I remember these guys, man. I saw one of their stand-ups.
Oh,
She's like real black, like Wesley Snipes black. Exactly.
we're brothers too.
I love spring break, but I do have to say, I've 1,000 girls by now.
You serious? I clean your glasses at the same time, too? That telepathy is crazy.
Jinx bought me a Coke. Oh, snap, man, we're still saying the same thing. This is amazing. Carrots, pumpernickels, glow sticks, twins. That's so
That's
sick.
crazy.
Paper clips, bananas,
I don't know.
Words. Just exhausted from inventing Facebook or whatever website people our age use.
You messed yourself up, bro. I think she probably would have smashed you right then and there. Now it's done. It's over with.
Dude, in human sexuality, do you just get to watch people?
Neither.
Huh?
What the am I taking it for then?
I've got a first impression for you.
I think he's the villain.
Oh, y'all like psychology?
Tracy Morgan.
Oh, yeah, he's definitely the villain. Racist!
We had so much respect for you until you made a joke about something we were sensitive about.
You looking for some Wi-Fi? Go to the police station, walk in and ask your captain to see the evidence room because you're a narc. You're literally wearing your badge. Did you really just check to see if you were wearing your badge?
Has been the result of the war on drugs.
Why would you ask me? I'm not a cop.
Because this is a college seminar, and that's how college seminars work.
Where's the redheaded teacher at, man? I want to see her fine ass.
College is a wonderful place. This is where you get to decide who you actually are instead of the person that you're clearly pretending to be right now, which everyone sees through, by the way.
You sure about that? Did any of y'all actually believe that? I don't think college is like that. I think college is something that makes you want to kill yourself.
I'm sleeping with 2 of my students, her and her, actually am. Now.
Damn, I wish I had job security like that, bro.
Fiato.
Phytobe, not a word, but I'm gonna accept it. Please respond to my text.
Wow, you put her on blast like that, she's definitely not about to respond to you.
So we just need you guys to fill in the blank in a sentence that we're gonna set up. So it'll go like this. Oh, I'm so hungry, I wish I had a...
Tampon.
Okay, but we want it to be... Try it one more time. Oh, I've got to get home so I can feed my...
Shit.
You know what? Let's just play the game, okay?
All right. Come to the stage. We got...
Boy, look like a black carrot top. What the fuck?
I think we're in the same psych class.
Oh, yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
Damn, you staring into her soul, bro. Like, look somewhere else.
A sign of the times that rhymes Amanda Bynes. Drop that Raggedy Andy circus.
Plan the stuff out ahead of time, make sure it's funny, and then not say it in front of people and embarrass yourself.
That's a thing that people do. That's stand-up comedy.
That's probably what you should do, because that stuff's funny.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, okay.
No pressure.
You'll see, it's good.
Yeah.
This dude just constantly digs himself in these holes, man, and not the wet ones.
This is a work in progress.
Specific point of view on things. Cynthia. Julia Roberts. Julia Rob Hurts.
Oh my God.
Cynthia, you are dead. Bop, boop, beep, bop, bop, boop, bop.
That seemed like that was probably disrespectful. What the hell?
Do you think they mean Wi-Fi the drug or Wi-Fi like the internet?
You brain. How do we find the dealers so easy?
Dude, 22 Jump Street brought to you by Cool Ranch Doritos. The way he's holding that bag is like somebody in a commercial.
What's up, Eric?
Apologize for
shooting my penis off. Don't sweat it, brother. I'm liberated. You know they gave me a vagina. You guys want to see it? No.
I'm somewhat curious.
Hey, guess what? I'm Eric's bitch.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
That boy has to go to therapy, man, after this.
Your vagina doesn't work, man.
Worked for you last night.
Oh my God. How you force him to be his bitch?
I know, but we can't see his face. We don't know who it is. We don't know who it is. I'm Schmidt. My pants are full of duty. Sound anything like me?
You sort of sound like
Yeah, kinda. Yeah.
Close your eyes and tell me who's talking right now.
Schmidt being a little bitch.
There's a reflection right here. It's a weird time to be Q-tip.
Is that your pregame, sir? That Q-tip does feel good, man. When they get that itch, you almost nut.
You what? Dude, I'm so sorry. It's all right, man. Don't worry about it, man. You sure? Yeah. All right. Ow. Okay, I got it.
You're dumb, bro.
Dude, I'm sorry. I got my Q-tip in your meat, bro.
Oh, man, I got my meat in your Q-tip. It's like a whole new type of sandwich. Hey, you guys want some of this sandwich?
Man, I don't want no earwax sandwich. I think he's in on it. Woo, good to see you, boy.
If you see that safety line up that deep, though, hit me quicker.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know you had wheels like that, bro.
It's funny because he's my brother, so.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay. Yeah, man, sure. You too. You can come too.
Yeah.
We'll see what we can
Also, I said a bunch of stuff earlier that you didn't acknowledge, so.
You want him to go back in time, bro?
All we have to do now is.
Look, man, do you think it's cool if you come?
Bro, why are you dressed like a gay judge model?
Dude?
And this dude get on a tie like he's about to intern at Facebook. Bro, this looks like a damn sausage fest, man. Where the hoes? Bro, I don't see not one girl.
It was so nice chatting with you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yo, what the f are you doing, dude?
Serious right now?
You're being weird.
Hey, dude, you want to go see the roof?
Okay, I want to see the room. Come on, let's go.
Go leave him hanging. Come on, bro. Damn, all right, Spider-Man. What the fuck?
All right, art major. What do you think about that?
Them nuts right there, kind of big, man.
Huh? What do you mean by that?
It's these two beings leaning up against each other in perfect balance.
You can't admit that it looks exactly like testicles?
I would say it looked like somebody's hard. Cause isn't it like when you get hard, like your nuts like tighten up or something?
Those are like two of my favorite things to do.
You were like a slightly less attractive version of Picasso.
Hey, at least they both having fun. That's what's up.
Oh, it's only 2. I thought it was late. Do you want to come in?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. I would rather be in his position than Channing, bro. That boy about to get some. You better not fold, bro.
Fans used to rush the field after every win and carry on the goalpost. The coach hated it, and so he cemented him in.
I think the blonde dude is the one with the tattoo, not the redhead dude.
It's coming down.
And then he shows the tattoo as soon as I say that. All right, so he does have the tattoo. Okay.
Oh, this? It's my old high school
Oh,
team.
nope, he don't get it.
When I was throwing you those passes, it was like I knew where you were gonna be before you went there.
I mean, isn't that like your job though? That's not really me though.
Dude, bro, dude, my tattoo. Yeah, fuck, look, it's me.
See, I knew it. They tried to throw you off with the photo because the dude in the photo is a lot like buffer than him. Ooh, yes, boy, that's what I'm talking about. Congratulations.
What's up with it?
What's up with it?
That was the sex for you. It was fun for me. It's a good time.
Oh man, you fucked up. Shut up.
This is why I don't drink.
Oh.
Yo, you lucky she didn't kick you out.
I mean, I'm not listening to you guys fornicate all night long, thrusting. Okay.
I mean, you could have joined us, you feel me?
I'm 19, so.
19 minutes late to Pinnacle? Tell us about the war. You're like the loudest climaxer.
So lovely talking with you. You're a lovely person.
So she has a lunchbox and she's walking out in her onesie. Okay.
So you probably have a bunch of stuff that you have to do today, right?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That was her trying to be nice to kick you out.
I'm gonna split. I'll text you later. That was great sex. You're good at it.
Shut up. Oh my God, it's so embarrassing, bro. The walk of shame. Damn, how many walk of shames is going on right now?
One of us got laid last night. Schmidt? Shh. Don't wake up my dick. We're talking missionary.
Damn.
She's smart. She's an art major.
She can't be that smart. She's a fucking art major.
Damn. And she smashed you.
This absurdly specific tattoo. Name one other person who has this.
Mick Jagger?
I've eaten 6 of these.
They're gonna be real focused. And in about 4 hours, you're gonna be tripping.
They're gonna be more than tripping, bro.
Nobody sold it to us. Shit, man. Cynthia gave us a buttload, and in exchange, we wrote her logic paper for her. Hey, man, we'll see you guys later. Enjoy the food.
That's probably how she died. She probably didn't want to do this anymore, or she probably knew some stuff that she shouldn't have known, or she was gonna snitch, and they was like, nah, we can't let that happen.
You don't have to be on top of me. Yes, I do. Why?
And why are you rubbing your shit on my...
Bullseye.
I've always wanted to do something like that. Are those real? Okay, that whole mechanism looks lame.
I don't even have any more cameras.
He's got a big mouth, okay? I feel like he could this whole thing up for it. See, you're this up. You talk way too much.
That guy is harmless, dude. Look at him, he's nice. He looks like a 30-year-old 8th grader.
Oh, they're about to do the initiation.
Oh, I'm having a bad trip. We're having a bad trip.
I think we are tripping. At least y'all still together, though.
I got my Lambo. Hey, Smith, look.
What the hell is going on?
Legs are tired.
Damn, Vietnamese Jesus came in. That's what's up.
Look, whatever happens tonight, you have to keep up, okay?
I'm gonna throw up.
Enough, shut up, go.
Ready? Go.
Damn, you drinking after y'all already got the drugs in your system? Oh, I know that they're beyond up. I mean, this does look fun, but that's just too much beer. Oh, yo, why so descriptive, man? That picture needs to shave.
Maybe we should just Just investigate different people.
Did you really just say that?
I mean, y'all probably get more work done that way, so yeah, you're right about that.
Don't like the idea of us doing stuff separately.
Man, you are a grown-ass man, bro.
You want an open investigation?
I don't know if that's what I want.
That boy wants a poly investigation. That's crazy.
I don't know where the I am right now.
See, don't get kidnapped. Another walk of shame, bro.
Hey, Lauren. Just want to get in bed and watch Friends all day.
I'll be like, you want to join me? Have her do another walk of shame.
Good luck, guys.
Looks like MC State's got a new power couple. Zook and McQuaid.
Damn, old man. Get your junk out my face, bruh.
What is that? All right, ready?
Man, you know you should not text somebody in the middle of their workout, bro. Like, come on now. Yo, it sounds like they're fucking.
There's a sign on the door. Don't come in.
Hey! What are you guys doing here?
What are you kidding? It's Parents' Weekend.
Where's Channing Tatum's parents at?
Well, my parents are here too.
Maya, hurry up. Mama done found the tape.
No. No. She wasn't ready.
How do you know this person?
Dad, this is Doug, a guy that I'm dating.
The fuck? How's your classes going, Doug?
What a coincidence. Oh my God. Hey, Queen Latifah. Oh, that's a great pairing right there.
You two know each other?
No.
It's crazy, all these students and parents, potential witnesses.
We met at a poetry slam, and then he stalked me back to my dorm room.
Stalked her?
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Then what happened?
And then we hung out and we watched a movie. We watched it a couple times.
Damn, okay, I see you, Doug.
Wait a minute. What can a black man do to get some water around here?
Give the guy some water. He's black. He's been through a lot.
Oh my God, bro. This dude, Ice Cube, is hilarious, bro. I love this dude.
I'm straight out of Compton.
Come on, man. Hook me up. Come on, y'all rationing around here? Come on. Hook me up. 2 little string beans. Give me string beans. I want some devil eggs.
He's under a lot of pressure at work.
What's up, player? Wanna go to the movies? Break your eggs. Break your eggs.
Yo, don't let me pass
How
out,
you
bro.
doing, Mr. Nice Prince? That's in there.
I gotta watch that shit over again, bro. That was hilarious, man. Give me the goddamn string, man. Oh my God, this shit got me crying. Oh my God, I haven't laughed this hard in a minute, bro.
What do you want to be, like a stockbroker or a cop? Dude, your ceiling is like so high.
Why'd you drop it?
You can just bust right.
Just break right through it.
You could make it into the Hall of Fame.
No, dude, come on, that's you. You're gonna be in like the annals of football history.
Dude, you could make it into the annals of football history too.
I mean, like I said, break through to them anals, bro. Break through.
I just don't understand what his problem is with you specifically. I don't. That makes no sense to me. I mean, you are a perfectly good guy. You're very honest and nice. And why does my dad have your phone number?
I don't know. Maybe.
Doug. Put your phone on silent, Doug.
Yeah.
Yo, I love this song. This is like one of the only songs that like gets me to dance like a fucking kid, bro. Damn, girl, you with my vibe.
This stuff wasn't meant for you. It was meant to be private.
So am I supposed to just sit here and not act like I hear every one of your problems?
I mean, you could join, you know.
I'm pretty close with my grandpa, too.
A relationship is something that requires constant work.
Which is what I thought we learned in high school.
So you are high school sweethearts.
He doesn't know they were brothers?
You won't hold my hand.
Oh,
You won't hold my hand.
All
You gotta interlock it, though. If you don't interlock it, it's not hand-holding. Just might as well just be friends.
I teach about a principle called embedding.
Look at the facts.
Matter of fact,
Zook has the tattoo. He knew Cynthia.
Damn, bro. Rude.
And overlooking or even ignoring contradictory information. It's a fascinating principle.
Shut up. I'm thinking. It's possible that.
This took a turn.
Yes, it did.
What if Cynthia was the dealer?
We have something really, really important to tell you about. Captain.
That boy came prepared.
This is what the is going on. Oh!
Oh my God.
The captain's daughter! Yo!
Every time you say that, that's another foot in your ass.
Schmidt, you literally, yo, Schmidt, captain's daughter! You bragged to him to his face, to his actual face, Cap. You bragged to that face? You actually high-fived. Oh my God, this is...
I don't understand why they didn't make a third one, man.
I got something way better than that.
Dude, that cutaway was like something you see on Family Guy.
We have to stop treating this.
Now we have no leads. What are we supposed to do now?
Police work.
About damn time, y'all got so busy with acting like y'all really going to college. I should have been broke into this room. Oh, damn, she was into that. I wonder if her and her roommate was like doing that type of stuff, because you know it's double end. Or maybe she was doing DP. That's probably what it was.
The supplier is putting drugs inside the books in the library where literally no one goes anymore.
What are you doing? Don't leave me hanging.
Dude, I gotta go or I'm gonna blow my cover, okay? You can do this alone. I'll be back in 2 hours. You got this.
Man, a football game takes more than 2 hours, bro. Shit takes like 2 weeks. Dang, every quarter has like 10 timeouts. Like, damn. And then hella penalties.
You're being so fucking loud. You shut the fuck up.
Oh.
What's going on here?
You're interrupting a really...
Yeah, well, stop now, motherfuckers. You remember me? I'm your best nightmare. I'm your worst.
We have guns.
Well, why don't you put your guns down and let's fight like men?
Because we have guns.
Schmidt, brother! Get him!
He should have just pushed down the shelf. That's what I thought he was gonna do.
Come this way, it's faster. No, just come this Schmidt!
Dude, he's not Captain America, bro. Like, are you serious? Bro, look at the distance right there. Oh, Gassy with the pose, boy. Well, that's gonna cost some money right there.
Which way?
Whichever way's cheaper. Right, you went right.
My goodness, they just don't care. Wow, all that art. No, not my nuts.
All right, we're gonna lose him in the robotics lab.
What?
Dude, what are you doing, bruh?
A lot of expensive stuff in there.
He has to be doing this on purpose.
And Zook said I could room with him. I was thinking that I could do that, maybe.
What? You can't be a cop and stay here and play football with Zook.
Man, you was trying to do that in the last movie when they was bringing up college. I had a feeling someone was gonna crash into the goalpost. Now it finally dropped. Why did they want the goalpost to drop so bad?
Why? Because fuck them, that's why.
We have identified and arrested one Dr. Carl Murphy, who was found with Wi-Fi residue throughout his office and had a close personal relationship with the deceased. Exactly like a case we had recently at a high school.
Okay. I knew it was him as soon as I saw his face.
What?
You're not supposed to throw rocks.
Man, throw a rock at that bitch. Maybe there's more to the case, though. That boy is not 30.
I used to have the other Destiny's Children, but now I'm just a light-skinned princess with a dream and an amazing voice. That's great.
Okay. And also connections with Jay-Z that helped her boost her career up. Shoot, but I already know people gonna be like, no Queen Bee slander. I mean, it's all jokes, baby.
You think the ghost could be the supplier's dad?
Maybe.
Okay, that's a pretty good piece of information. Someone's bringing a shit ton of that stuff down to Puerto Mexico for spring break. And if that happens, Wi-Fi is going viral. It's going to be at every college in the country.
I think my information was stronger.
Look, it's...
Can I bring my Hispanic costume?
Cool tingling.
Got room for one of these days.
A grenade.
Right there, bro. That's dangerous, bro.
Missed the spot.
Oh, here we go with this scene, bro. I mean, you know, they say that you gotta stick to the original. Just do the same shit.
So you're not going to be weird about this?
That was a weird response.
Did you not see that I was going first?
Excuse you.
You went first?
Oh, snap. I'll forget about the case right then and there, bro. Oh, damn, the roommate. I think she might be the supplier.
We're gonna get all these kids at spring break.
And this is like a family business type thing.
Jesus Christ, have you ever heard of don't get high on your own supply?
We didn't. Nah, I didn't do that. Yeah, I used his and he used
I need a sample out of you.
That's a gun. Yeah.
Who first?
You wanna go I don't want to die. You die. I don't want to die. You want to do rock, paper,
We should play rock, paper, scissors.
That's how we do this.
Cops.
Boom.
Oh my God. Yeah, everybody knows.
Really?
You guys look like the stars of a cop show called Hawaiian Dads. Drop your guns.
Drop yours first.
We have way more guns than you. Drop your fucking
That
guns.
doesn't mean nothing. We put them on you first, though.
Spring break yourself, fool.
Yo, he looked like All About the Benjamins right there.
You will never find, blom, 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 a hairline like mine.
Jump Street.
Oh, the Fantasia looking chick.
And we about to jump in your ass.
Nah, we about to go in that hole, bruh, and bust through that shit.
Boring. No one's getting shot.
Oh my God. Did you just get shot? Like right after he said that.
She is crazy.
This is a shootout. You know what happens in a shootout? They always kidnap the girl.
That's because you paid attention to her.
Dad, what do I do?
Is that my bathing suit?
Girl, that's not your damn bathing suit, because you couldn't even fit that shit with your big ass. Are you serious? Probably was her bathing suit like 3 years ago. Shoot, Maya looking good as hell, though. A Lambo, yeah!
Lambo. Are you sure?
And I need to drive because you're faster on foot.
What? I don't get to drive the Lambo?
No, yo, come on, let's go.
Hell no, I'm driving the Lambo, bruh.
Easy, bitch. My hands are hurt.
That's one of the best drivers that we got.
It got to 0 to 100 like real quick. Hell yeah! Tokyo Drift, baby.
Wait, a little bit too furious.
Schmidt!
I like that shot. That was a cool shot.
I'm not gonna fight a girl, so just stop.
It shouldn't matter. If you thought of me as a person instead of a woman, you would hit me and not feel bad about it.
She is like weird. And she's just sitting in the corner watching the whole thing.
Is there blood in my eye?
God, are you
There's
all
blood
right?
in my eye. Learn how to hit.
No!
What you mean? No, I would have folded. I would have folded real quick.
Try and kiss you?
Yes, you did.
I would have put her ass against that damn window.
Oh, like you haven't wanted to kiss me the whole time.
I never once wanted to kiss you. Never, no!
You just did it.
I mean, why not? She looked good and she got on the sundress, so it's easy access.
The eyes were eyes. I just got punched in the face eyes. They weren't kiss me
I
eyes.
don't even like you.
Neither do I, so stop kissing me.
Okay.
Man, put her up on that damn counter, bro.
We were gonna punch her kiss.
You're making us so uncomfortable. This is the most...
Ooh, okay. Hey, yo, bitch, get your crazy ass off on me. Oh, that shit was clean. Oh, that was fire. You gotta smash her later on, bro. Get her number. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's good too. That's good too. Oh, bitch. It's plastic. Yo, Yo, whose ass is that? What's that?
Are we gonna No, we're not! Is that what's happening? No, I'm not gonna you ever!
Bro, that bitch. Dang, that boy missed the opportunity, bro. I wouldn't have let that opportunity slip.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I don't have a clean shot, Schmidt.
Then don't take the shot!
Maybe I want to take a dirty shot. Kind of like the dirty shot you took on my daughter.
We talked a lot and we care about each other. All the good qualities you have, I could feel inside of Maya.
I'm gonna take the shot.
Don't take the shot.
Yeah, that boy was deep in them guts, bro. He took a dirty shot inside and out.
Now, Maya.
What?
Oh, good job on them cuffs, baby girl.
Yeah, she put them on me the other night. You feel me? I like what they've been doing with the split screen right here, man. This stuff is pretty cool. Hey, at least he tried to take the bullet for him.
I tried to take a bullet for you, man. Oh, but you didn't. But I tried. It's the thought that matters. No, it's not the thought that counts.
Yes, it does.
Taking the bullet.
Well, yeah, that boy in pain right now. He don't give a
Bye, Terminator!
Is he really about to make this jump like freaking Captain America? Yo, with one bullet in his shoulder. I would love to do something like this in a movie. This dude is about to fail, bro, and it's about to be freaking glorious and hilarious. Look how he's running. Are you serious? Oh, f out of here. Okay, I see you, boy. I'll give you your props. Y'all have incredible hand strength, bro. Hell no. Oh, I've been scared out of my damn mind.
You don't hold me down, man. You lift me up. You don't drag me down either, man. I mean, except right now, you drag me down. Hey, listen, there's a grenade in my shorts. Can you reach it? You gotta go in from underneath.
Oh my God, that's his dick.
Did it? That's my dick. That's my dick also. Yeah! Why is it hard? I'm so much.
Ew.
It's tickling me.
That boy get that round dick.
Daddy, chill. That's it. Grab it.
Ew.
Something cool. Oh, I feel so alive.
As soon as he says that, he dies.
A little seed needs to fly away, free, and find its soil. Yeah, no, I tried to soil myself, and dude, I didn't like it.
Ew.
Dude, you need friction.
Man, they had some great lines in this movie, man.
Grenade up there. I said something cool. What'd you say? It was something cool. No, but what'd you say? Yeah, I know.
Another piece of great dialogue right there.
3. For your next mission, you two sons of bitches are going to medical school.
What? Yo, and they fighting the Yakuza? Oh, hell yes. Oh, that is fire, bro. Man, you can't tease us like that, though.
До свидания. Vodka soda.
Next assignment, a semester at sea.
I love these posters, man. How long can they keep going with this?
There's a microchip in this empanada.
Old family recipe. Best to keep it a secret.
That's a great cameo right there.
Oh, yeah.
Schmidt look any different to you?
No.
Hey,
Schmidt. I don't know what you're talking
that's
about,
a great
man. He look
fucking,
exactly the same to me.
I got new glasses.
Yeah, man, he just got some new glasses, man. Goddamn.
Just like we always do, Jenkins.
I'm glad you're back, Schmidt.
What are you talking about? What contract dispute?
This is great.
Flight Academy.
Hey, a Top Gun reference. Is that who I think it is? Is that the girl from
Cover just got a whole lot.
Oh, it is her. What the hell is her with that nose? Yo, they went all out for this ending, bro. I love the cameos and everything.
You're Jump Street, right?
Oh, he must have been in the originals.
Man, you're a legend.
Hey, I know the Asian dude, yeah. He's back? What?
It's gonna be in the video.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this game sucks.
For the place and somebody gotta put it to a stop.
My God, this is amazing. I would have loved to have been a part of this. Hey!
New assignment.
6 hours of makeup. We're getting too old for this shit.
Man, y'all should have been aged. Oh yeah, he is supposed to be Gambit, right? Golly, how many classes are there, bro? I will have to say this is better than the first one. Just off of that ending alone, them end credits right there, just like that. Oh my God, bro, I had a great time watching this movie. I hope y'all enjoy watching this movie with me too, man. Please like the video, share, comment down below, subscribe, click the bell so you know when I upload more videos, man. And follow me on all my social medias. Links will be down in the description below.
Eric.
Dang, we got another end credit scene.
Eric, are you awake?
No.
I'm late.
That's dirty, bro. Oh my God. Okay, everybody, there we go with 22 Jump Street. This movie was absolutely amazing. I'll say that this movie was better than the first one. Cannot wait to hear y'all thoughts. I forget what I gave the first one, but I would definitely go ahead and give this one A. If you like to see my full length reaction to this movie, any of the other movies I do, TV shows I do, you can click the link down below in the description to my Patreon. This movie had me straight dying laughing. And then when the action picked up, they had some great action scenes, man. The directing was pretty cool. I would have loved to have been a part of a movie like this, man, especially with this cast. I know they was having a great time, especially when it came to that in credits, man. I know they freaking had a great time doing all that type of stuff. Can't wait to hear exactly what other movies you want me to check out. You know, you can go ahead and message me on Instagram about that, or you can, you know, message me on Patreon about that. But with all that being said, man, I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.